Hi guys, it's Dustin the Tutor here. I'm just making a very short impromptu video about something that I've seen happening time and time again in my tutoring sessions. And I wanted to put this out there so that other parents and other students can get a hold of it and can improve their writing. So 99% of students do this. They make this mistake, especially in elementary school and middle school. They look at readings like Percy Jackson, like The Trials of Apollo, maybe they're reading Harry Potter, and they look at these wonderful plots that have been created by the authors, and they say, I want to do the same thing in my writing. And so what they do is in their 2 to 3 page assignment, they cram so many events into that they cannot explore any one of those events deeply. What I'm asking you to do in your assignments is the opposite. Instead of being overloaded with events in your writing assignment, simply focus on something that creates a rich experience for the reader. So one of my students did this very well when he wrote about finding a tiger in the jungle, coming face to face with the tiger. He was focused on building suspense in every sentence. He was focused on activating the 5 senses, on using concrete words, on using strong verbs. And it was an incredible writing piece. It was very engaging. He didn't do anything complicated, but he wrote something that was actually beyond his grade level because he understood this concept. Again, I'm just making a short video here. So the contrast I'm pointing out is instead of focusing on many different events in the plot line, because you only have 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 pages to write this story, just focus on something simple and create a rich experience and execute on it very, very well. You know, Rick Riordan and J.K. Rowling and Tolkien and all these other authors, they created those plots over hundreds of pages. And you simply don't have the space for that in your assignments. All right, I really hope this helps you. If you need help with writing, check out the link below. I'm available to support you, and I hope you have a great day. I totally forgot to mention that I have this resource now for parents and for students. It has 25 resources for reading and 25 resources for writing. So it includes things like online libraries, and all of them are free. I've put it together, I've curated it and put it in a PDF. If you want to check it out, I'll include that link below. And if you sign up for it, I'll also give you notifications for my YouTube videos and blog posts that I've created. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.